Hey everyone, this is Grant from Ecological. Today we're going to be installing our new window channel blackout trim kit on this 22 Toyota Tundra. So just follow along in the instructions and we'll get to it. To follow along on the written instructions, scan the QR code on the digital instruction sheet and select your model. Included with your digital instructions is a stick of adhesion promoter. Keep this close because we'll use it right after our dry fit. With your adhesion promoter, you'll also find a strip of blackout tape. We'll be using this later. Perform a dry fit with the red backing still intact to ensure your parts fit properly. If you have a color matched product, now would be the time to perform your color check. Instructions on how to perform this check are either attached to your installation instructions or on our website. Clean your window trim with isopropyl alcohol. Do this for all 4 doors. Pick up your adhesion promoter stick and press down on the area indicated on the stick to puncture the vial inside. Now you can apply your adhesion promoter where the tape will be touching down. You want to do this to all areas now so your promoter doesn't dry out. Push back your side mirrors and apply the blackout tape on the very edge of the chrome window trim. Do this for both the driver's side and the passenger's side. First, peel back a small section of the red backing and hold it or tape it to the other side for access later. Next, line up your front door window trim. Push it to the front of the truck as far as it will go. Make sure no chrome is showing on the top or bottom edges. When you're satisfied with how it looks, begin putting pressure on the exposed areas of tape, peeling back more as you work your way down the truck. Repeat this process on the opposite side of the truck. When installing the back door window trim, you'll begin with the vertical sections. Peel back a section of the vertical strips of tape and hold or tape them to the front as we did before. Completely remove the backing on the small strip on top. Carefully place the piece over this section, making sure the tape doesn't adhere so we can adjust the part if needed. After you've checked the position, you can begin peeling the red backing. As you peel, apply pressure to the areas you have exposed. Repeat this process on the opposite side of the truck. On the lower portion of the back door, once again take about ½ inch of the red backing and hold it or tape it to the front of the part. Line up the front edge of the part with the front edge of the window trim. Using the same process as before, peel the red backing while applying pressure. Repeat this process on the opposite side of the truck. Now that all the pieces are installed, go around and put firm pressure on all taped areas again, and then the best part, removing the protective film. Thanks again for watching. If you need any assistance beyond the video, please call the number on your screen during our regular business hours, and we'd be happy to help. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, and if you know someone who needs this, go ahead and share the video with them. Also, if this is your first Chrome Delete, check out our other install videos for the Tundra, and be on the lookout for more Tundra Chrome Delete products soon.